Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 8 of exercise 13.1 and the question says Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 8 kilometers. She drives on a road for 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in the map? Means Rashmi has a small road map and here it is given that 1 centimeter is equals to 18 kilometers. Means on this map, if I cover from here to here and if this is 1 centimeter, so in actual from place A to B, I have traveled 18 kilometers. Now you have to find that if in actual Rashmi has covered 72 kilometers, so on map what will be her distance? So there are two things. One is measurement on map and second is actual distance. So when 1 centimeter on map is equals to 18 kilometer on actual ground, so you have to find if on actual it is 72 kilometers, so on this map the distance will be, so because this is direct proportion, so one way of solving this is directly you find how many times this actual distance has increased. So we can say that this has increased 4 times. So 18 kilometer when increased 4 times, it is 72 kilometers. So similarly here also on map it should increase 4 times. So we can say that the value of x here should be 4 centimeter because 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 centimeter. So you can say that when Rashmi traveled 18 kilometer on actual ground, on map she is traveling 1 centimeter, and if Rashmi is traveling 72 kilometer on actual ground, she is traveling 4 centimeters on her this road map. There is another way of solving this which we taught in schools, that when in actual she is traveling 18 kilometer, so traveling 18 kilometer on map she is traveling 1 centimeter. Traveling 1 kilometers on road she will be traveling obviously less on the map, so this should divide by 18. So similarly you have to find if she is traveling 72 kilometers, so on map again it should be greater, so this can be cancelled 4 times. So we can say that on traveling 72 kilometers on actual ground, on map she has to travel for 4 centimeters. So this is another way of solving this. I have not written the words, you can add by your own. So this is the method for solving this question. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel which is truemaths.com.